Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Alright, I'm back real quick, guys. I want to talk to you about some updates that Instant Cash Solution has added. So we've got more value to add to this copy and paste system called Instant Cash Solution. So if you landed on my page, it's because you're online right now searching for a way to make money online. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and I actually promote products, okay, that I actually use, products or services that I actually use, and I'm able to make a commission from promoting those products when someone purchases those products or services. So that's what I do. So anyway, Instant Cash Solution, I'm back to just show you some new updates. They've added some more text messages in the back office, so you're getting a lot of value, guys, for the money that you're investing in this training program. Okay, so just want to show you the quick updates. But before we do that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay? Alright, so let me just show you. I'm going to log in the back office. I'm going to show you some new updates. You want to get started with this program. It's a great program to get started. Simply copy pasting these display images. Okay, so hang on one second. Let's go into the back office. As you can see, I'm in my back office. And I clicked on resources, then I clicked on ICS text messages. Okay, I'm not going to show you all the messages, okay, because you need to be a paid member. But I just want you to see what's been added. We have 20 new text messages that's pre-written for you. All you have to do is copy them and put your link in them. I'm going to show you one, okay, just so you can see that. Okay, hang on here. Okay, I scroll down just a little bit. As you can see here, it says sample text messages. We have 20. I'm just going to show you one. Here's an example. Real simple, guys. You can send out a text message. Looking for income, simply copy and paste system to generate fast cash. Put your link. That's it. Okay? So that's an example. But we have 20 pre-written for you. Okay? Now, if you don't have a text messaging platform, I'm going to put the link below so that you can check out. I have 3 text messaging platforms. So pick one of those and get started. One of my favorites, all-time favorite, is SMS Phone Leads, but Press One Cash is working perfectly. Okay, it'll be a perfect combination for you to use with Instant Cash Solution. So I'm going to put the link below for all 3. But we've added that, so just want you to see that we have text messages in here. Okay. I'm going to scroll up a little bit. As you can see, ICS text messages. So we have all this pre-written for you. All you need to do is copy what we give you and paste it. Okay? Very simple, easy program. Now let's go over, let's see some of the new display image ads that we have. Okay? Alright, so here we are. Our display image ads. As you can see on the screen, it's telling you right down here we have 50. It says 53. I don't know why, but we have 50 now. Okay? We started out with 18 image ads. These are already pre-written. All you need to do again is copy the image and paste the images into Craigslist or anywhere that you can place a classified ad. Okay, so I'm going to show you. We had 18, now we're up to 50. So let me show you a few of those. Hang on a second, very quickly. Okay, so we had 18. Now as you can see, that's 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, 24. Just scrolling down. I just want you to see these new ads are working perfectly. That's 34, 35. And we just go on and on. These are some great ad copies. Just copy the pictures into Craigslist or any classified website. Okay, number 44, as you can see. And it just goes on and on, guys. So we have everything you need in this done-for-you system. The training is provided. All you do is copy these images, okay, and you will get the leads coming in to you. Okay, so that's the new additions, guys. And remember, we have a weekly training, okay? This is the only copy-paste system that I'm aware of that has the owner that gets on a call every week, every Tuesday, and actually do training and walk you through this system to show you what we have, okay? Show you the back office, show you everything we have, and he does all the presentations for you so you don't have to worry about selling and telling people, okay? Worst case, you give them your link, they go to your page like this, they watch this video, Okay, they get excited. They may call you with questions, or you can invite them over to our weekly Tuesday training, and then they can ask questions on the chat to the owner personally, okay? And he will answer those calls on the call, okay, on the live training, okay? So I'm going to show you the levels so you can see what the levels are. Pick your level. You can always upgrade later, but you can get started, guys. We have everything that you need in this system, okay? And I'm going to also share with you additional resources and different tips that I am using, okay, to make this thing work, okay? So hang on a second. Let me show you the levels, okay? So let's go here, and I'm going to show you on my page. I'm going to put the link below so you can go here and check it out. Under 500, okay? All the levels have an administration fee of $29 except the $500 level. If you come in at the $500 level, it's $79, okay? And this is a one-time cost, guys. This is not monthly. Pay this one time, one and done, okay? And of course, if you want to upgrade, you can do that later, okay? But just get started. Just simply get started. Come in where you can. However, if you come in at a lower level, and someone does come in at the higher level, that sale will pass up, okay? But this is a great opportunity. You have all the ad copy. I can't emphasize that you have all the ads you need, okay? And again, we don't use ad copy per se, text messaging verbiage, okay, on our ads. We use images. We use pictures. Let the picture speak for itself. And this system sells itself. Just let people come to your website. You have capture pages. You have the autoresponder built in. All your job is to do is get people over to your capture page, okay? And let the system do the selling and telling for you. And of course, you have an option to email your list from your back office, and you can just invite people over to the Tuesday Hangout if you like. Okay? But everything is already in the system. We've got 50 image ads. I can't re-emphasize that. So I don't think anybody out there has 50 ads. Images, okay? Not just words to use. Images. That's the difference, okay? So check it out. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Contact me after you've checked out this as well. You can also get you a your own customized webinar, okay? The owner will put together for a cost. Get in touch with me, and we'll get you over to him once you join and get you a webinar. Okay, he'll build a webinar specifically for you with your picture and everything on it as well. Okay, it's customized to you so you can brand yourself in this business. All right, so that's what I've got for you today, guys. All the updates, new images, new text messages that you can use to get people to look at this opportunity. So I'll put the link below for everything. Check it out. Give me a call if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.